Good morning, everyone. My name is Tatsuhiko Inada. I'm a Kyoto University student. Today, I will talk about combine harvester. Especially, I will talk about harvesters for grain. I also take 7 minutes my presentation. I answer all your questions at the end of my presentation. I divided my presentation into 4 parts: introduction, methods, results, and conclusion. First, I explain what combine harvester is. As a name, combine is combination. Combine harvester is a harvesting machine which reaps crops such as rice, and they threshes grains from heads and separate admixtures such as dust and leaves, and they collect clean grain kernels while traveling. And they do some variety things, so they consist of 3 sections. One is reaping section. Reaping is cutting and gathering. And they have threshing and sieving section. And last, they have storage and traveling section. Combine harvester was born in 1969 in Japan, and there are now 2 types. One is traditional type, and these days head feeder type was born. Okay. This photo is image of reaping of traditional type. Crops passes through a toothed rasper is a cutter, and crops fed to thresher, equal to grains dislocked and sieved. Last, grains conveyed to tank. But they have a problem. One is high loss of grain at harvest, and 2 is grain damaged during threshing. So, new methods is needed. New head feed combine commercialized by Yanmar Corporation and Kubota Corporation. They are agricultural machine company in Japan. They invented screw-type threshing mechanism. Please see figure. This example has large diameter threshing drums and 2 re-threshing drums to achieve higher threshing capacity and grading precision. Admixtures such as leaves are threshed in the threshing drums and separated by the first dust exhauster re-threshing drum. The remaining admixtures are recovered by second drums. The grading performance is enhanced by opening and closing the sieves or adjusting the wind according to the operation condition. Result, we can reduce grain loss and reduce grain damage. Last, I introduce you future combine harvesters. In the future, greater combine harvester will be commercialized. They need not people. They can move and do any movement with no operator. And the new harvester can get data about rice feed and send it server automatically. For example, they get data about amount of harvest or water content and positions of itself. Finally, I want to show you a video. Sorry, just a moment. Okay, let's start. as we can see, there is no driver. This machine can move because GPS system. As a car navigation system, they know its position and move automatically. And it turns automatically also. These combines are not sold in Japan today, but I think it will be soon. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening. Do you have any questions?
Okay, so my name is Amri, and I want to ask regarding the performance of the GPS, the auto driving machine, I mean the auto driving mechanism that you saw in the video just now. Because from what I see, it's a little bit slow, but I'm not sure what is the result in the real experiments, whether it's acceptable. I mean, that one is acceptable or not, the performance of the GPS system, because the GPS is quite unreliable, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, GPS system is normally GPS system is very not useful, I think. But my teacher Ida is a specialist for GPS and automatically move harvester, and he and his co-researcher invented a new machine. And it can move precisionally more than for the type because it uses a lot of satellites than older age, so they can move nice. Is it question? Did it answer?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So are there any more questions? Okay.
On the precision harvester, will there be a need to georeference the soil and the area so that the machine can work with the coordinates on the georeference field to be able to know which type or where is the location of the machine in the field? Because I can imagine a large field and the machine is just there. So will there be a need also to georeference the area of the soil, the field? Thank you.
Geo difference is very important problem, I think. If there are some rocks or there are some lower section, maybe the machine will turn and turn. So we must think the position of itself and recover the position. So this recovering system is very necessary to commercialize. And the system is now studying our teacher's group.
Are there any questions from Taiwan?
I want to add what kind of power source of this machine. Diesel or gasoline or electricity. Thank you.
It's not moved by electric system. There are some types, so I can't say exactly thing, but it's moved by gasoline or diesel.
Okay, more questions? More questions from Taiwan.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.